Hi, I'm Sushil Prabhakaran. The topic that I'm going to talk about is military digital transformation, cloud AI integration, and smart workflow orchestration. Here, we emphasize accelerating strategic advantage through the cutting edge technologies and also how we are transforming military operations with cloud computing or and smart workflow orchestration. There has been an unprecedented improvements with respect to strategic capabilities. First, there has been a 43% increase in the operation efficiency. Second, 67% increase in respect to how quickly and faster the decision making has been made. Third, there has been 2.5 times increase in the real-time situation awareness, meaning that whenever an action scenario comes with respect to the field, how the military or the defense team enacts to it. And the last is the 78% increase with respect to enhanced predictive analytics. This has been achieved through the way the data has been used with respect to the models and the algorithms that has come up with the enhanced predictive analysis. The next one we're talking about is how the cloud AI integration has enhanced data processing. So this has two sections. First one is the improved capabilities. Second is the smart workflow impact. So when it comes to the improved capabilities, so the advanced cloud AI systems has delivered a very good 85% acceleration in respect to the battlefield data processing speeds. And the critical and mission response times have also been slashed by 56%. That has enabled the commanders or the armament to make faster and more informed decisions in high stake situations. The other enhanced data processing is like what we saw in the smart workflow impact. So through the intelligent operation and the predictive analysis, the military logistics and supply chain operations have achieved 78% greater efficiency by making sure it has used the vital resources that has reached the frontline units with unprecedented speed and precision. The AI-driven decision support system, I can split into four parts, more like a pyramid structure. So the first one at the top comes as the threat detection accuracy, which is 91%. So the way the systems, the AI cloud decision systems are structured is such a way that either threat comes in through online or the real battlefield, it quickly identifies and acts accordingly and in such a way that the real our of the military team acts and blocks the threat. So that's top one. The second one is the enhanced situational awareness, which I basically, on the few slides back, I was talking about the real-time situation. So how it quickly, and then it acts accordingly to based on the situation. The third one is the faster decision making. So it enables the commanders and armament to make a quicker decision and then apply those accordingly. The fourth one will be the improved resource allocation. So this one is more related to how efficiently it uses the available resources, and this in turn reduces the overall cost as well. So the next one, we see how the integrated solution had a real world impact. First one, it has had a 3.2 times increase in the military effectiveness, meaning it had an impact of cloud, AI integration, overall operational capabilities. Second one is 38% cost reduction in respect to the resources being used more efficiently, thereby decreasing the operation costs through the optimized resource utilization. So there have been a lot of case studies, so more like successful implementation across various military branches and operations. In the next one, we see how it has revolutionized the military training. First one is the 61% improved readiness. So they do have some enhanced personal preparedness through the AI-powered simulations, meaning that every individual have their own capabilities and how efficiently that individual can be trained. This AI-powered simulations does that. Second one is the reduced training time. So there we have some accelerated learning curves, which very much focus only on the main objectives, and it is more personalized AI training programs as well. The third one, the realistic scenarios, they have a lot of AI-generated simulations that that helps in battling the real situations with respect to how they battle. So these AI-generated simulations play a crucial part. This slide is showing how we're strengthening the cyber defense capabilities. So 19% provision rate is a key factor. Like all the AI powered systems have logged potential security breaches. Next one is the 76% faster response. How quickly they respond to situations has had a tremendous impact. So this has reduced incident response times through AI-driven threat analysis. Next is the continuous learning. So these AI systems have evolved to encounter emerging cyber threats. So they keep on learning as they interact with the human beings. So it's more like a machine learning method. So they keep evolving. So here we see the implementing challenging solutions. The first one, the top threat has always been the data security. So the expectation is 99.99% uptime till we achieve the advanced product. Second one is the ethical framework. We need to make sure the AI deployment takes place in a more ethical way for military operations and should not be misused. So that's an important track factor. Third one is the integration. So all the cloud integration, when they integrate with the existing systems, should be seamless rather than making it tough. So that's again a very important challenge. So the return on investment here has been at least 4.1 times with respect to the investment on cloud AI technologies, and then has been increased the capabilities with respect to improving the strategic advantages in modern market scenarios. Then next we have the cost savings, which has a long-term reduction in operational expenses, and then future-proofing, preparing for evolving military technologies and threats. So as we all know, the future prospects and ongoing developments are taking place as we talk. The AI robots on the real battlefield, the advanced drone technologies, and many other technologies with respect to AI cloud are being developed and are being used as we talk. So we are basically embracing the digital military revolution. It has had a transformative impact with respect to this cloud AI engineer, cloud AI integration has been reshaping their modern military capabilities. There has been a continuous innovation with respect to the ongoing development of AI-driven military technologies. And then there has been strategic imperative with respect to adoption of that has been crucial for maintaining military superiority. Thank you. That ends my presentation.